The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Ishares 20-year Treasury bond ETF with the ticker symbol TLT. This was a viewer's request, and thank you for your donation. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So here we have the daily chart for TLT. Last Saturday is when I did my analysis, and that was back on, let's take a look here. This was Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. So price action closed right around the 196 level. We broke out of this level, failed, and we reached the 99 level before seeing a bounce up. So this looks actually very bullish, and I'll go over the reasons why. So it looks like we had this big uptrend in the past. Then prices went inside of a range pattern. So this looks like the range, finding resistance right around this 109 level. And we were finding support right around this $99 level. So prices work from the highs to the lows and the lows to the highs. So we did break out the lows, but prices came back up into the range. So this could be a rally to back up to the highs. And I'll go over a couple of the reasons why. So we had a leg down right here. Prices went up. We made a second leg down right at the measure move target. And that's where prices bounced, right at the measure move target. So we have the measure move target met. We also broke outside of this miniature range or this congestion. Let's go and make this one orange. And also there was this downtrend in play right here, where prices broke outside of it and it made a new low of it. So basically, I see four things telling me why prices did what it did and why it could be bullish. First one is that prices are just going sideways back and forth through this EMA. So this is a ranging pattern. We were at the lows, now we can go up to the highs. Prices made two large legs down. We were in a congestion. We had a breakout on the bottom. Most breakouts will fail. And we had a breakout on the bottom side of the larger range. So most breakouts will fail. We're seeing a rally take place. And also the downtrend looks to be played out because we had a breakout side of it and a new low. So that shows signs of weakness for the bears. So there's multiple reasons on this chart why we're seeing what we're seeing. And also in the macro structure, you can see that we had this downtrend in play. And we made two attempts down. Sometimes we can make a two attempts down past this low, or we can make two attempts down to make a new low. So this was to make a new low. So this was the first attempt lower to get a new low of this downtrend. Then we rallied higher, and then prices attempted the second time to make a new low of this downtrend but failed. So now we can see a strong rally in the opposite direction, possibly another measured move higher, and that would be to right around the 116 117 level. So we'll have to wait and see if that measured move plays out. But as right now, it does look pretty bullish. I'm looking for at least the EMA, which is right around the 102.67 level, which is probably going to be hit Monday or Tuesday. And then if we see a break above this EMA, I think we can see a good rally back up to the highs of this range. As right now, it's looking pretty bullish. We did try to go lower, but failed. So now it looks like it wants to do the opposite, which is go up. So as right now, it's looking kind of bullish for TLT. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart. Here's the weekly chart. In the grand scheme of things, even if we do see a big move up, it's not the end of the world for the bears. We can still continue lower. So we have this massive downtrend right here. Let's go and make it yellow. And we had a breakout side. We had two attempts lower. This is the first attempt, a pullback, and then the second attempt that looks like it's failing. So we could see another leg higher. And even if we do rise up to the 116 117 level, that's still a good pullback for prices to drop, because if I do a fib retracement, you can see that coincides right with the 382 Fibonacci sequence. So that is still a pullback territory. And then from there, we can see two larger attempts down. So we had a big move up, two small attempts down, and we can get another leg up. And then we can finally get two large attempts down. So it could work out that way too. Let me show you guys one more thing. So there is an example on the chart in the past of what I'm trying to say. So you can see that prices were overextended from the EMA near the bottom of this downtrend. Same thing, what happened right here is what's happening back in March of 2021. We were in a downtrend, got overextended, and we snapped back right above the EMA. So we were in a downtrend right over here last year, and we got overextended, and now we're coming back to the EMA. So we had a nice move up, just like what I drew right there, a nice move up. And then we had two legs back, move down, a pullback, and a second leg down. Then we had a move back, a pullback, second leg down. And then you can see that prices made one attempt higher, broke out past these highs before seeing the collapse down. So we could kind of do the same thing, break out past these highs, and then see the collapse down. So we did see an example in the past. This is known as repeating pattern. So what I'm trying to say is that we could see the same thing occur. And as right now, it's looking kind of bullish for TLT as right now. So that's all I have for this week. Let's see how it plays out next week, and I'll give you guys an update next Saturday. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel. Since you might be surprised what you can learn, leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.